Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles A, B, C and D are in the ratio 2:3:4:6. Find the measure of each angle of a quadrilateral. Here, in a quadrilateral ABCD, A, B, C and D are in the ratio 2:3:4:6. So, angle A as to angle B as to angle C as to angle D equals to 2:3:4:6. Okay, let angle A equals to 2x. So angle B will be 3x, angle C will be 4x, angle D will be 6x. As sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 6x is 360 degree. That is 15x will be 360 degree. So x will be 360 degree divided by 15, that is 24 degree. Hence, angle A will be 2x means 2 into 24, that is 48 degree. Then angle B equals to 3 into 24, that is 72 degree. Angle C equals to 4 into 24, that is 96 degree. And angle D equals to 6 into 24 means 144 degree. Hence, angle A equals to 48 degree, angle B equals to 72 degree, angle C equals to 96 degree, and angle D equals to 144